Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Plenix, where we dive into the latest discoveries that shape our understanding of the world. Today, we're going to explore a mind-blowing find in China's ancient landscape. A skull unearthed decades ago has been re-examined using cutting-edge technology, and it's challenging the timeline of human evolution. This fossilized skull was once thought to be around 1 million years old, but scientists now believe it belonged to an even earlier lineage, specifically a group that's closely related to the enigmatic Denisovans. To understand this discovery, let's dive into the history of the Yunxian skulls. These fossils were found in central China and date back to 1989 and 1990. They're part of two partially mineralized specimens unearthed from a riverbank in Xi'an. One of these skulls was thought to belong to Homo erectus, but further analysis revealed that it didn't quite fit the bill. Instead, researchers think it belonged to an early ancestor of dragon man, known scientifically as Homo longi. This new identification opens up possibilities for our understanding of human evolution. According to paleoanthropologist Chris Stringer, this changes a lot of thinking because it suggests that by 1 million years ago, our ancestors had already split into distinct groups, pointing to a much earlier and more complex human evolutionary split than previously believed. The findings not only rewrite the timeline for our own species, but also challenge the way we think about other ancient human lineages like Neanderthals. With a deeper look at these fossils using digital reconstruction techniques, researchers were able to separate the bones from their rock matrix and correct distortions. They pieced together what's known as a phylogenetic tree, showing how different human species may have diverged over the past 1 million years. The analysis suggests that our origins with Denisovans are much older than previously thought. The discovery of this ancient lineage also shakes up the traditional view of when these groups began to diverge from a common ancestor, which was around 700,000 to 500,000 years ago. Instead, it seems they may have separated as far back as 1.5 million years. This raises more questions than answers. Where did the ancestral populations of Homo sapiens, Neanderthals, and Homo longi live? Was it inside or outside Africa, widely regarded as the cradle of humankind? The study not only makes progress toward resolving the muddle in the middle, but also highlights just how much scientists have to learn about human origins. When paleoanthropologist Chris Stringer began working on human evolution over 50 years ago, he noticed that East Asia's fossil record was either marginalized or considered as direct ancestors of recent East Asians. However, with findings like Yunxian 2, we now see crucial clues preserved in the East Asian record, shedding new light on later stages of human evolution. That's all for today's Plenix episode. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating stories that shape our understanding of the world around us.